In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then select App Lock and hit Enable. Following that, you need to decide if you wish to lock your apps using lock screen password or custom PIN and tap on one of those options. I will go with custom PIN to show you the process. Finally, you get to create it, repeat it to confirm it, and then answer a security question. If you don't like this one, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, you can also tap on the question and tap on Custom Question to create your own. Then hit OK and answer correctly below. When you're ready, select Finish. Now to lock any app, use a gray sweater next to it. So when I go back and try to access my locked app, I can see that custom PIN is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings and enter your screen lock or custom PIN. Then use blue sweater next to your app to disable app lock from it. If you want to disable app lock completely from your tablet, use blue sweater next to it, hit disable, and enter your lock screen or custom pattern one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!